Good morning, class 7th student. Let us continue chapter number 5 of computer. It is part 5 and next topic is consolidating the data. Consolidating means combining the data. Consolidation is the process of combining of data. MS Access offers the feature to combine the data from the same worksheet or from different worksheet in one. What is consolidation? MS Access that provide the feature to combine the data. It is either it is from the same worksheet or it is from the different worksheet in one. In order to consolidate the data in Excel, it is important to group the worksheet. First of all, what we have to do? We have to enter the data in a worksheet. Press and hold on the shift key and click on sheet 3 tab. What you do? Just press and hold the shift key and click on sheet 3 tab. Now input the main heading, field name and common subheading. Now what you do? Just write the main heading, field name and common subheading like this. Data entered in sheet 2. You have entered the data in sheet 1. You have entered the data in sheet 2 now. You can ungroup them by right clicking on any of group sheet and select ungroup sheet option. You can also do group or ungroup sheet. Ungroup them by right clicking on any of the group sheet tab and select ungroup sheet. Open sheet 1 and input the data as illustrated. Just open the sheet 1 and illustrate the data as I have told you this thing. In the same way, enter the data as sheet in sheet 2. Now in the same way, enter the data in sheet 1 and sheet 2 respectively. Go to sheet 3 and change the heading as shown. Now what you have to do, go to the sheet 3 and change the heading. Go to data tab, consolidate in the data tool group. See, you have to go to the data and data, and from data you have to select the consolidate. The consolidate dialog box will appear. This sort of dialog box will appear, consolidate data dialog box. Use the sum function to calculate the total in the both category. Now use the sum function which is help to calculate the total in both category. Click on collapse button in the reference toolbar. Just click on the collapse button which is there on the reference toolbar. Now click on sheet 1 tab and select the cell range. Click on add button and cell reference will be added to all reference. Now when you will click on the sheet 1, select the cell range. After selecting, click the add button and the cell reference will be added on all reference text box. Click on collapse button in the reference toolbox. Open sheet 2 tab there and set the cell. Now in this way, just enter the data. Click on add and click OK. The consolidate dialog box will close and consolidate data of both the sheet will be displayed 3. Save this file. What we have done in this class 7, we have just combined the data of sheet 1, sheet 2 and just stored them in the sheet 3. Now you can see in July the sale in sheet 1 is 2000. ठीक है, expense is 300. But in sheet 2 the data in July is 5000 and 500. In that it is 2300 and in sheet 2 it is 5500. Now when we are doing sheet 3, it has become 7000 and 800. 300 plus 500. In this way we have combined the data of sheet 1 and sheet 2 and just save them in the sheet 3. Now how to group the worksheet? Next topic is grouping of worksheet. A workbook in Excel has 3 sheets by default. By default is having the 3 sheet. We can input data in all the worksheet. We can input the data in all the worksheet. Grouping of worksheet enables us to enter common data, formulas, formatting, effort, etc. You can follow the given step to ungroup multiple worksheet. You can follow the given step if you want to just separate the sheet. If you want to ungroup them. Now, how? Open a new workbook. The sheet 1 worksheet will be active. When you will open, the sheet 1 worksheet will be active. Press and hold on the shift key and click on sheet 3 tab. Just hold tab, press the shift key and click on the sheet 3 tab. As you release the shift key, you will see that all the 3 worksheets have been grouped. And you will do this. As you release the shift key, you will find that all the 3 worksheets have been grouped. Grouped. Input data in the grouped worksheet, sheet 1. Now enter the data in the grouped worksheet, sheet 1. Format its heading, make it italic and increase the font size to 20. You can just change the font size by 20, 22, whatever you want. You can make it italic and you can also format the heading. Apply border around the heading. You just apply the border around the heading. Select row 2, increase font size to 18 and make it underline. In this way, you can make the certain change. You can in row 2, you can just change the font size to 18 and make it underline. Do the same in column A. You can ungroup the sheet by right clicking on any of the other sheet but sheet 1 and select ungroup sheet option. As we have grouped them, we can also ungroup them. Group them means in collected form, ungroup them means in different form. And you can see that all the 3 sheets have same formatting option and data. You will find that all the 3 sheets have the same formatting option and the data is there. With this topic completes our chapter number 5 of computer. Thanks a lot for this class.